Hey guys, Dustin with Custom Offsets here. We are actually at Lifted Truck Nationals right now in Branson, Missouri, and I am joined by the one and only Lacey Blair. We're back with another episode of This or That. So we got Lawson behind the camera, actually, because Keaton is not here. It's just me and Lawson. He's going to ask us some questions. We're going to answer them. Pretty simple.
I'm stoked.
Cool.
Let's do it.
Before we do that, Wheels, Tire, Suspension, CustomOffsets.com is where you're going to want to get those. We're also doing a full build giveaway. So it's Archon wheels, Mickey Thompson tires, and a Superlift suspension kit for your truck shipped right to your door. All you got to do is pick up one of these t-shirts, CustomOffsets.com/giveaway. That's where you can find that.
Awesome.
That's it. All right, let's do it, Lawson.
Giant OBS Ford or giant OBS Chevy?
Oh, Ford. Done. Easy. You didn't even have to say the second one.
Was
I supposed to go first?
It doesn't matter. However it works out is fine. This is a tough one for me. I don't know if I could pick one. My heart is so torn because, I had a gas OBS Chevy growing up, but I really like the OBS Power Strokes a lot.
You can't beat them.
Oh, man. All right, I'm going Ford as well. I'm going Ford because I want a 7.3 Power Stroke. Let's do it. Cool.
I just freaking love them. I don't really have no type is what I like to say when it comes to trucks. Let's see. Right now I own 2 Fords and a Chevy, but I've had Dodges before. So I don't really have a type, but gosh, you can't beat the OBSs.
They're awesome.
Especially the 90s. I love them all, but you just can't beat them. 4-door long bed, I'm here for it all day.
Oh, yeah.
Your first show build, but given to you at 16 years old, or keep your current build, but the memories of your first build are gone?
I don't quite understand the first one, but I would never want the memories of my first build to be gone. That's the best memories. Yeah. I would still want that truck.
I think I'm in the same boat. I know how irresponsible I was at 16.
Oh yeah,
and
it was
what
lit.
I did. Yeah, it was a great time. But
if my truck could talk,
yes,
that song, that's the vibe.
For real. No, I think I would do the same thing. There's no way I could give a 16-year-old myself anything of any quality.
Oh, I get what you're saying. Yeah.
It would be terrible. I would destroy it. So, besides, my first truck kind of sucked anyway. So, down the road, we're good. We're out.
Which is the better show, LTN or Daytona?
I am gonna have to go with Lifted Truck Nationals. Well, it's my home state show, but I don't think I'm biased. It's just look at this beautiful venue. It's so chill. It's always really quality trucks, quality people. Everyone's just vibing, having a good time. It's super organized. I think they put on a really great show here. I think Daytona's great too. Definitely a different environment, different setup. Who doesn't love the beach? But I don't know. I just have a soft spot for LTN. So
I've never been to Daytona, so this one's easy for me.
Well, there you go.
It's LTN by choice.
Yeah.
I'll take it. I love it here, though. You're right. I mean, it's gorgeous.
It's
the
so
layout
chill.
is awesome. The surrounding area is beautiful.
I've been here since year 1. Haven't missed a year.
Yeah. I know I need
to
to go to
Daytona.
Jesus.
You do have to go.
I heard it's rowdy.
But not to the show.
Just to the beach.
Maybe that's my problem. Maybe I'm always stuck at a booth. I need to go have some fun.
Go party on the
Daytona.
beach.
Would you rather Carolina squat your truck or convert a diesel to front-wheel drive?
Oh, my Lord.
Well, mine's kind of Carolina squatting right now, I'm not going to lie, so.
I couldn't do it. There's no way I could squat a truck.
Mine's a little bit squatted.
Not
so I'll
that
go with that.
Running a front-wheel drive diesel would be any more fun, but I guess it would work. I mean, I don't know. I would just rather do that than squat a truck. I'm sorry. It's not my thing. A little squat's not bad, but nope. Mm-mm.
Brand new diesel of your choice or brand new SUV of your choice?
Diesel for sure.
Oh, yeah. Without a doubt. I mean, don't get me wrong. I've seen some super cool SUV builds out there.
I haven't seen any cool ones.
Damn. It's just not my style. I don't know. I'm a truck guy.
I'm kidding, by the way. I hope everyone knows I'm kidding.
Just waiting for somebody to angrily pound away in the comments below.
What about that girl with the Escalade?
For real.
Bagged Jeep Hellcat or lifted Jeep Gladiator?
Ooh, okay.
Jeep Gladiator. Those are pretty sick, I'm not going to lie.
Yeah, I mean, the Gladiator looks good, except for from the back. They're really aggressive along the sides. They're really sharp. And then when you get to the back side of them, they're super,
skinny,
round and kind of weird for me, you know.
Need some custom bedsides.
Yeah, see, there you go. I think bagging anything with an SRT in it is rowdy anyway.
Yeah.
So that'd be dope. Hey, quiet down. We're trying to make a movie here.
Bonus question.
Woo!
If you choose one, you can never have the other. Tea or coffee?
This is an easy choice for me, so I'm going to wait.
Coffee. I'm a
Really?
sweet tea kind of girl, but, well, then I could resort to just Red Bull. Probably coffee.
That one's 0 to 100 real quick. Sweet tea to Red Bull. All right, we're there. We did that. I think I would do the same thing. I drink probably
coffee?
too much coffee
Yeah.
for a man my age. So,
It happens.
yeah, whatever. I like coffee. Drink it black, nothing in it.
It's a
It's a
necessity.
great
Really?
time. Oh,
Okay,
yeah,
I don't go
right
that
out of the
far,
pot.
but
Cool. Well, that's another episode of This or That. Thank you so much
That
for
was
joining us. It's good to have you. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the video so we can keep making stuff like this. And I think that's it.
see you guys later.
We're good.